Hey, I thought you said you were gonna help me with a YouTube video today.
言ったっけ?
Yeah, man, we were out eating ramen last weekend and you said you'd finally help me with a YouTube video.
ラーメン食べたっけ?
Yeah, man, we were over at Sakura, that place over by the station.
そうだっけ? あそこは美味しいんだっけ?
It's like your favorite ramen place.
俺好きだっけ? ちなみに、アンディのライブはいつだっけ?
My live? I've got one on March 29th and April 18th.
まあ絶対行かないけどね。
Thanks. So, ke is an expression that you put at the end of sentences to help express forgetfulness about something. Ando-san is very forgetful, I guess. So by adding a small tsu and ke to the end of a sentence, it sort of expresses that you forget about something and you'd like to confirm it, or you're just expressing that you forgot about it. For example, nandakke. Nandakke. That basically means, what's that again? Or it could depend on what the question was before it. For example, if someone says, do you remember what you said last night? Nandakke. That would mean, oh no, what did I say last night? We could also use Ando-san's first example, which was
言ったっけ?
This is using the verb iu, which means to say, which can be pronounced iu or you in informal conversation. So, yuttakke means, did I say that? Using ke is very simple. Basically, we just attach it to the short form past tense, or if it's an e adjective or the present tense, we add nda and ke. Nda is a way of expressing that you're looking for an explanation to something or you are explaining something. I explained that more in a recent Genki stream, so you can check that out in the link over here. For na adjectives and nouns, we just add da and ke. So, dakke, it becomes. The one exception to this is that in slightly more formal conversation, you can say deshitakke, which is the past tense of des. So deshitakke is still pretty informal, but you might use this in the case where maybe someone is a little bit older than you, but you're still pretty close to them. So it gives it a sort of informal feel to a formal situation. So let's go over some examples really quick, because I know it's a little bit hard to understand with just these magical formulas on the screen. Our first example would be something that Ando-san said. He said,
ラーメン食べたっけ?
Tabetakke means, did I eat? So ramen tabetakke would be, did I eat ramen? Using an e adjective, we could say, takaindakke. I forget. Is it expensive? A present tense verb might be, ikundakke. I forget. Are you going? Using a noun or an adjective, in this case a noun, we could say something like, Tokyo dakke. Is it Tokyo again? So in this case, maybe we forget where something is happening. So we say, is it Tokyo again?
そうだっけ?
So is a noun that basically means so. So in this case, it's sodakke. Is that so?
あそこは美味しいんだっけ?
I forget. Is that place any good? Literally, this means I forget. Over there is tasty, but in reality, if you were translating this, you would say something more along the lines of I forget. Is that place any good? So this is an e adjective, oishii, which means tasty or delicious. So we have to add ndakke. Ndakke, which means he's asking for an explanation because he forgets whether or not that place is actually any good. あそこは美味しいんだっけ? The next example is
好きだっけ?
I put the I forget in parentheses here because it's just sort of implied that I forget. In reality, the translation might be something more along the lines of, I like that place. Our final example here was,
アンディのライブはいつだっけ?
In this case, it's a question, so he's asking for an explanation. He wants to know when something is happening, and he knew before, but he forgot. So we're adding ke here. So, ライブはいつだっけ? Since itsu is a noun, or I guess actually, we add da before ke. When is your live show again? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.
いや、このゴミのチャンネルには絶対チャンネル登録しない方がいい。楽しかったらチャンネル登録するなんてうるせえんだよ。
Yeah, whatever.